So you caught up with me, huh? Well, let me show you while I'm working on this pair of reels for a customer that needs to get these by the 15th. Let me show you the parts of a Cuban Yo-Yo reel. Yeah, a reel has parts just like any other reel. This is the back, sort of the rough side, flat side, thin side is the back. Goes against the palm of the hand. The opposite side is obviously the front, the pretty side that I call it. Okay, so back, front. This part, the donut hole middle where your hand goes, it's what I call the grip. Just the grip, you know, where you're gonna grip it. Okay. Now the flat, thin part here on the back, I call that thin lip there, I call that the flange. It's just the flange. Just like a flange mounted whatever, you know, it's the flange. The short part here, the absolute bottom part of the reel here, I call the arbor, just like on any reel. It used to be wider with my older reels, but these are lighter and they cast a lot better, so the arbor has been greatly shortened. It holds still a lot of line, but you just don't need all that arbor. And the main feature is this ramp, or the casting lip, right? That's what it's designed for. You hold the line over on this side, and then this casting lip will spool that line off into a nice tight spiral, right? It'll spool that a nice tight spiral. Those are the parts of a Cuban Yo-Yo. Now, where did I get these names? I just made them up. I mean, I just that's where I hold it. It's the grip. It's the back. There's the front. There's the casting lip, and there's the arbor. Just made them up. But those are the parts of a Cuban Yo-Yo reel.